back to another video, and today we are on our way down to Bimmer Invasion. Well, Orlando. Bimmer Invasion is in a couple days, but we're heading a little bit early. Joy's behind me, and we are scheduled to arrive in about 4 hours. So this video is actually going to be put together over the whole weekend. I'm just going to grab different clips of, like I said, the entire weekend instead of splitting it up in different videos. So I just want to try to get some interesting clips here and there, and hopefully we can get a good video for you guys. But yeah, you guys can see Joe's back there. So yeah, I was up until, I don't know, I want to say maybe 1 o'clock working on Joe's car, trying to get the wheels to fit. We were having issues because the wheels were actually a little bit more aggressive than we expected. We could have ran a smaller tire, but honestly, I didn't want to stretch it too much. I think right now the stretch that she has is perfect, so we got them to fit. Unfortunately, we didn't get the chance to get in alignment, but we're gonna try to get one down while we're in Florida. Obviously, more than likely, I already spoke to a shop and they said they can squeeze us in tomorrow. So, but yeah, man, look how good this looks. It's a little bit cambered, a little bit more camber in the back than the front, but we are gonna raise it up in the back, so that's gonna get rid of some of the camber, and I think it should be almost perfect. Also, this drone at 80 miles an hour is crazy. So the car sounds good, don't get me wrong, but once I go anything above 80, just cruising, it's a little bit annoying. To be honest, I think I might be putting on a resonator once I get back to North Carolina. It sounds good, but damn, on the highway, long trips, it might be a little annoying. But of course, we don't go above 80 all the time. It's just certain parts where the speed limit is 70 and everybody's flying past you, so you have to go along with the traffic, and everybody's doing like 80. I think 75 is a sweet spot where it doesn't sound too loud or too annoying. But yeah, guys, I'll probably pick up the camera once we check in, and I'll fill you guys in on what's the plan. We are shooting a video tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. That'll be for somebody else's channel, which is gonna be pretty cool, as long as everything goes as planned. And I'll keep you guys updated on that as the video goes along. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day, and we're actually heading out to a video shoot. I didn't really film a lot yesterday just because we didn't really do much. We checked in, you know, we had dinner, and I was exhausted by then. I had to come back to the hotel. We hung out for a little bit with a couple of friends, and then I had to come back to the hotel and finish some things on the car, like little minor things. And now I'm actually heading over to another smaller city north of Orlando to do a video shoot. But man, look at this traffic. I wasn't expecting this, because when I checked the time that it would take to get there last night, it was like 29 minutes, I think, 30 minutes, and now it's taking me almost double, so which is crazy. So we are currently filming a video with Your House. I'll have their YouTube channel down below in the description, and also their Instagram for you guys to check them out. So they're doing a little video for me. We kind of did the interview part already, and now we're getting some driving scenes in. So what's gonna happen, I'll probably put up the video in my story. I'll link it once I get it. Once they complete the video, it's probably gonna be a little while, so stay tuned for that, because I'm pretty sure they got some cool shots, and hopefully I can get some reels out of it for the Instagram account. some rolling shots. Be nice. They have the car mic'd up, so that'll be good. They'll have some sound. Yeah, I'll pick up the camera once we're done. Once we get to the next location, hopefully get some good shots.
That'd be cool. I should have seen the end of it.
Meet at Bimmer Invasion. Just left the previous meet that you guys saw. Good turnout, packed, but we are actually heading over to another one. Joy has to burn some gas. She actually ended up pumping way more than she needed. The venue is only letting you in if you have quarter tank of gas, so she has to go burn some before we head out tomorrow morning. So we might as well come out and check out the meet over here. The meet just started at 10, so it's 10:40 right now. Weird thing. Because when we were a lot closer, now we're 20 minutes away. But yeah, I'll pick up the camera once we get there, see what we see. And if there's nothing good, then I'll probably just end up picking up the camera tomorrow, the day of the show. Lambo. Bright as green. So I bet you guys are wondering where the heck is the rest of the Bimmer Invasion footage. Saturday, believe it or not, I didn't film a thing at all. It was a hectic day, and I was actually dragging from being tired from the previous 2 days of really not sleeping and doing a whole bunch of other stuff. It all started, Wednesday night, going into Thursday morning, barely sleeping. And then same thing with Thursday night. I didn't really sleep that much going into Friday morning. Friday was a long day of, driving around and whatnot. And then being out late at night, and then finally going back to the hotel late Friday night to go into Saturday morning, having to wake up really early. We got up at 5. And yeah, it was a long day, and it finally caught up to me. So when it came down to Saturday, I just wanted to enjoy the moment. I knew that it was the last time that they were going to be hosting Bimmer Invasion at Desert Lane, so I just wanted to, like I said, enjoy my time there, get to see the cars when I could, despite the rain, talk to plenty of people that I normally don't get to see very often. That's that's the main reason why we go to these events, to actually see the people that we conversate with online. It's not really about winning awards. That's just kind of more of an extra thing if you do happen to win something, but it's more so about the people, and then just getting to appreciate everybody's projects and whatnot. So with the rain, I didn't really have a lot of time to go outside, and then the moment that I did slow down, I just pretty much took like a speed walk through the parking lot just to see some of the cars, some of the ones that I mainly wanted to see. So very little time. Ended up talking to people outside too that just ended up taking some time as well. But we made it back to North Carolina. Stay tuned for the next one, the next show. Like I said, it's probably going to be at a different location, and hopefully we don't get hit with the rain again. Like the past 2 years, it was sunny, but unfortunately it just happened to be that a storm was passing through, and only Florida was the one that got hit with it. So every other state, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, was clear. Florida was the only one that got hit with the rain. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, guys. This is pretty much going to be the end of my Bimmer Invasion trip video footage. Sorry I didn't really capture anything, but there's plenty of videos for you guys to catch. I mean, for you guys to watch if you happen to miss out, or if you just want to get like a recap. Just figure I'd give you guys a different perspective on things. And one thing that I did learn is that if it's not on the car 3 days prior to the trip, I am not touching it. I am not doing it. I'm not going to be rushing to get things done last minute, because then I end up being very, very exhausted, and some of those things sometimes is not worth risking. Like if you're rushing something, things could go wrong. So take it as a little advice coming from me. If it's not on the car, 3 days before the event, don't do it. Just take the car as it is. And like I said, it's all about the people. And sometimes some people are not going to notice the little small details that you're rushing to get in, unless it's something big. But that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I miss my little munchkins. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.